Did you know that every year over 1.5 lakh people die on Indian roads? The Department of Transport Delhi government decided to take proactive measures to address this growing concern. The driving license was in focus. The objective was to use technology to automate the process of testing and issue of driving license and encourage driving training. On 27th of December 2017, a memorandum of understanding was signed between Maruti Suzuki Foundation and the Delhi government. The MOU set in motion to create 12 automated driving test centers across Delhi. ADTCs are equipped with scientifically designed test tracks with advanced technology, including multiple high-definition cameras to assess applicants against 20 essential driving skills in line with CMVR, that is, Central Motor Vehicle Rules. Let us take a quick look at how these centers work. All applicants with a valid learner's license can apply online for a driving test slot at the Automated Driving Test Center. A date and time for the test will be allocated to the applicant. The applicant is encouraged to take online walkthrough of the ADTC. At the scheduled time, the applicant arrives and goes through biometric validation and document verification. A training facility is available at the venue to understand the process and flow of the driving test. The test process itself moves forward by the use of technology and automated procedure with no manual intervention. Only the applicant and his vehicle will be allowed on the track. Should the applicant at any point fail to clear a stage, he or she will be assisted to exit the test track. A special exit passage for applicants who fail midway helps save time. The applicant can then again take the test with a fresh online appointment. The use of high-resolution cameras, real-time video, instant results all together help in getting accurate and consistent results. These ADTCs will make the driving license system comprehensive, more efficient, more stringent, more transparent, and above all, much more convenient for people, thus working towards making our roads safer.